Hi! Welcome sa ating Gabi Townhouse. This is Mari Lubivar. Pasok po tayo. So this is a quick tour lang po para makita nyo kung ano yung feature sa loob. So this is the living room. Okay, yung sala set natin. And the other side is the dining room. Okay, pwede kayong maglagay ng salamin sa gilid. Then, sa kabilang banda, meron siyang bathroom natin na complete tiles na din, complete features na din, at meron siyang door pa-exit. Then, after that, we'll see sa ating mga bedrooms. As you can see, yung ating hagdan is fully tiles na din. Okay, pasok po tayo sa ating first bedroom na malaki din siya. Pwede po kayong maglagay dito ng dalawang beds. If may baby kayo, 2 babies kayo, you can put here 2 beds. Or if pwede rin isa lang naman na bed. Basta as long as mag-fit dito. Okay, malaki. We will see the next room. Okay, this is the second room, which is very spacious na rin. Okay, big bed. Okay, maganda kasi malapit sa bintana. And you can put cabinet also. So that's the 2 bedrooms of this Gabi Townhouse. Then bababa na tayo. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope na-tour kayo kung ano yung, para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano yung ating Gabi Townhouse. So again, this is Marilu. If you have any questions, you can message me anytime. Bye-bye!